In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fusion 360 from the Play Store, step by step on an Android device. If you're looking for the Autodesk Fusion app, I'll also explain the important catch before you install it so you know exactly what to expect. This is a quick and easy guide for anyone who wants to access their Fusion projects on mobile without wasting time on the wrong app. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top. Now type in Autodesk Fusion. You may still see people call it Fusion 360 because that was the older name, but the app is now listed as Autodesk Fusion. When the correct app appears in the search results, take a moment to double-check that it is the official Autodesk app. This is important so you don't download the wrong software. After that, tap Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll be asked to sign in with your Autodesk account. Use the same account that contains your saved projects, and then log in. After signing in, you should be able to view your files and collaborate from your mobile device. Now, here's the important part. The mobile version of Autodesk Fusion is mainly for viewing and collaborating. That means you can check your projects, review designs, and stay connected, but you cannot create or edit 3D models on the phone the same way you would on a computer. If your goal is full modeling and editing, you'll still need the desktop version of Fusion 360 on a PC or Mac. So if you just want to download Fusion 360 from the Play Store, the process is simple. Open the Play Store, search for Autodesk Fusion, install it, and sign in with your Autodesk account. That's it. You now know how to get the app on Android and what it can actually do. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.